Do you love to write story? Did you like writing story? Then this video is for you. Okay guys, so I'm going to be showing you a beautiful, a wonderful website that allows you to make money from at least from $100 to thousands of dollars on this particular website. To writing story for them, you can head up to $2,000 at the end of your story, like once you complete your story on this particular website. And this is not a joke. This is not just a random video you come across on YouTube that is going to tell you you're going to make so amount of money and you're not going to make it. We don't do that here. Okay, if you want to join the family, free to join. It's totally free. Subscribe. Hit the subscribe button. It's free. You're not going to get charged for that. Okay, now let's jump into it. If you check the writer's benefits, you realize you can make up to $100 to thousands of dollars on this particular website, but you need to put in the work. Okay, so if you have any question, you can drop them in the comment section. I'll attend to it. To get started on this particular platform, you need 5,000 words to apply for a contract. So they have two type of contract on the particular website. They have exclusive and non-exclusive contract. I'll also show you how you can get your book cover as well. So watch the video to the very end so you don't miss the most important part of it. Okay, the next question is, can I use this particular website on my smartphone? I'll show you how you can navigate the website on your smartphone as well. So let's get started. Let me show you how you can register the particular platform. So what you're going to do is to go to your Chrome browser or your Google browser, type in goodnovel. You're going to click on the very first link, this, and then it's going to take you to their dashboard. So this is exactly how the dashboard looks like. So those are examples of stories that you're going to be writing, as you can see. Depends on your interest though. So you click on browse to check out different genres that you can actually write story about. And also there's always a contest on this particular website, but we're not going to be talking about that. So I click on one of the story and this is how it looks like. You can also check it out and read more about it. If you read more, you're going to have more, like, let me say, more insight on what you're going to write or what you are expected to submit on this particular website. So the more you read, the more insights you get on story writing. So let's click on the browse and check out the genres of stories that are available that you can actually go for. On the browser, you're going to see different genres from romance, werewolf, marvel, system, fantasy, urban, instant games, and so on and so forth. So you're just going to choose the one that you feel like you have interest in. So you can click on apply now, and if you are ready to apply, maybe you've gotten all your 5,000 words ready, you can apply. So check out the frequent asked question on the particular website, make your own research, do your findings on this particular website before you get started. Everything you see online, do your own research before you get started. Okay, so let's move to the next step of the registration. So to register, you can use your Facebook account or your Google account. So I'll be preparing using the Gmail account. You're going to click on register, not login, since you've not registered an account in this particular website before. So you put your Gmail address and you enter a password, a strong password. You click on all, you accept all the terms and condition, and other thing, you must be above 18 years of age, and you think I agree to receive good novels. And I'm also going to be dropping the links in the description box so you have access to it. Okay, so after clicking on registration, a confirmation mail will be sent to your Gmail. So you click on the mail and log in back to your good novel account. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is how we can create a book cover. So let's go. We are going to be using Canva, and we also can use Pinterest to generate pictures. Okay, so once you log in into Canva, it depends on the type of book you wrote. For instance, when you wrote a book that has to do with billionaire romance, you're going to search billionaire romance, and it's going to bring out type of pictures or book cover that you might actually have interest in, like this an example. So you go to Pinterest, same thing, type it, and then it's going to bring out different pictures that you can actually see. So I prefer the pictures from Pinterest. Then you save the picture to your phone, and then you go to Canva to add your fonts, your title. Did you get different fonts and so on and so forth. You can also generate your book cover with AI, or you pay someone to create it for you. So that's all about this particular website. And if you have any question, feel free to drop them in the comment section, and do not forget to like this video. See you in my next video. Bye.